Hello, I'm the Power Guy from TDK-Lambda. Today we're diving into the informative world of power supplies and why going cheap might just short-circuit your plans. In a continuous manufacturing environment, machine downtime can zap your factory's profitability faster than you can say power outage. Not only does it lead to financial losses, but it can also tarnish the reputation of the equipment manufacturer. And let's face it, nobody wants to be known as the unreliable equipment guy. So what can cause a low-cost power supply to fail prematurely? One critical factor is the life of electrolytic capacitors. Essentially, for every 10 degrees increase in temperature, the life of a capacitor is reduced by 50%. This means that even slight increases in operating temperature can drastically shorten the lifespan of these components. For more details, be sure to check out my other videos. Another common issue is the use of fans with sleeve bearings instead of ball bearings. Sleeve bearings are not recommended for power supplies expected to operate for more than 3 years in high ambient temperatures. They tend to wear out faster, leading to cooling failures and, consequently, power supply failures. Additionally, the design of the printed circuit boards, PCBs, plays a crucial role. Single-sided PCBs are more prone to solder joint breakages compared to multi-layer boards, especially when exposed to vibration. Double-sided boards with vias are much more reliable and can withstand the rigors of industrial environments better. Is an extended warranty an indicator of better reliability? A low-cost power supply may have the same warranty as a more expensive one, but may fail multiple times. Once the equipment warranty has expired, multiple service call-out costs can mount up over time. A more efficient power supply generates less internal heat, which allows it to run cooler and have a longer lifespan. TDK-Lambda's economically priced and reliable GUS 350 350-watt AC/DC power supply boasts an impressive efficiency of 95%. This high efficiency not only ensures optimal performance, but also significantly reduces equipment running costs by minimizing energy wastage. In contrast, low-cost and less reliable power supplies can have a detrimental impact on the environment. These power supplies often fail more frequently, leading to increased waste and the need for more frequent replacements. If a spare part is not available on site, next-day delivery might be required, adding to the logistical challenges and costs. When a low-cost component of a machine fails, it is often not repaired due to the high cost of transportation and labor, especially when shipping from the US to Asia. Instead, it is usually cheaper to purchase a replacement part. Unfortunately, recycling the failed part may not be feasible, contributing to environmental pollution and resource depletion. By investing in higher quality power supplies, you can maximize uptime and minimize waste, ensuring that your manufacturing processes run smoothly and efficiently. Remember, the initial cost savings of low-cost power supplies can quickly be overshadowed by the costs associated with downtime and repairs. Knowledge is power. Power is TDK-Lambda. Thank you.